Are you an artist on TikTok? Get an artist account to promote your music, right? Right now, I would like to scroll up to show you more about it. Yeah, this is the tip that I will show you how to apply as an artist on TikTok. Yeah, you need to go to the TikTok app that you have been installed. After that, let's go to TikTok Studio here, right? And then scroll up a little bit so that you will see this option, right? TikTok for artists. Let's go to this option together. Are you an artist on TikTok? Yeah, let's scroll up a little bit. You see, right? Apply now. Let's go to the option apply now together. Artist account application. Find your artist profile in our music library. Right now, I would like to search my artist account's name. Yeah, my full artist name. Be sure again. This is my artist account's name. Let's go to the option search. You see here, right? This is my music here that I have been created. And this is my artist account's name. Be sure again. Let's go to the option claim together. You see, right? Be sure again and verify your account. Log into your artist streaming or distribution platform. Take a screenshot that show all necessary details and confirm that all uploaded information is currently and accurate. So that I need to screenshot my distribution platform or my artist streaming platform. Just wait a little bit. Yeah, after screenshot, let's see the direction together. Include artist name, album title, and all tracks title. I have been screenshot, so that I need to click the option add here. And I will choose from my album. Yeah, this is the screenshot that I have been added already. You see, right? I agree to the terms of service for the TikTok Certified Artist Program. Tick this. And then let's go to the option submit. Artist account application submitted. Your request is under review and will get back to you within 30 days. That is okay, just wait. According my experiences, I just wait only 2 days. The result will show. Right now, go back to my profile. I hope that this video will be useful for you. I will show you next time about my result. See you next videos.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more.